Talk to me about Roth 401ks. They're not really being used that often right now.
That's right. So, if you contribute to a 401k, the Roth has to be a feature that's been added by the plan sponsor. And so you may have the option to make deferrals via Roth or traditional. And it's never usually the default at all. But if you want to choose to kind of make deferrals via a Roth and you're high income, one way to do that is actually through a Roth 401k.
Okay, and who would you suggest invest in a Roth 401k?
Again, I think it's going to be someone who is on track to replace a significant portion of their current income, or someone who is kind of in a low earnings year.
Okay, and I've heard that one potential advantage of investing in a Roth is that you don't push up your taxable income in retirement to the point where you may end up having to pay higher health care expenses.
That's right.
Is that the truth?
It is. So like if you look at things like certain Medicare premiums, if you pass a certain level by $1, you increase your premium cost. And so having the Roth monies allows you to kind of manage all those different unique tax brackets in retirement.
So it gives you a lot more flexibility in retirement.
That's right.
So you get the tax sheltering during your working years, and it gives you the flexibility to pull money out without having to pay any taxes at any time in retirement.
Yeah, like one high level heuristic that I use is that I think that the most of your money, say 80%, should be in traditional, but maybe 20% in Roth is a good way to kind of have that tax hedge against future uncertainty.
Well, that makes sense. And also, if you're in a lower tax bracket, say early in the life cycle, or if you may be in between jobs or have one of two spouses who are in between jobs that year, that can be a good opportunity to invest more in your Roth because you're in a lower tax bracket. Mm-hmm. And there's other strategies before you retire, especially if you're waiting to get Social Security, and if you have money in a taxable account to transfer some of that money into the Roth. Talk to me about some of those strategies. You
can do conversions of IRAs from traditional or non-deductible to Roth as well. And so I think that there's lots of options out there. I'm curious to see which options will change over time. I know that currently you can make non-deductible contributions in a 401k and then roll those into a Roth when you retire. I think overall, to me, the message for people is that Roth is a valuable option to have, and you should definitely have some money in Roth as you're looking to retire.
That makes a lot of sense. Thank you very much, David.